The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County.
What the heck?
The National Weather Service
Dude,
in
what
Mount
the
Holly,
heck?
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County, northeastern Ontario County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Washington, or 17 miles east of Easton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Include Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Bound Brook, Manville, Hackettstown, Chatham, Washington, Morris Plains, Mendham, High Bridge, Stanhope, Lidcombe, Peapeck and Gladstone, and Glen Gardner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Warren. The coastal waters forecast